Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you go. Chat. What is poppin'? How we doing? Welcome back again. 2 streams in a week, eh? Insane work. Chat, come say hi if you're here. I want to know who's about right now. We've got a big day today. Big day today. Let's get it started, man. I caught it last night. What'd you catch? All right, wait, let me send an announcement and then we can start the stream up, yeah? All right. We're good to go, chat. Let's get it pumping. Starting the stream off in 3, 2, 1. Chat, how is it going, man? Welcome back. Big day today. Low key, the biggest day in a while. But how's everyone doing, man? Welcome back. What's good, Tony, Joshua, W7's here. Now Turk, Ewan's here. Who else is here, man? Bedge, what's good? Is it $40 activation fee? Yes, sir. Guys, Apex have a fat sale on right now. A fat sale. It's 80% off and $40 activation, which is insane. All right, so make sure you go grab an account with that shit. But yeah, man, look. Obviously, we have a big day today in terms of the markets. Oh, this food smells so good. My girl just bought me food. One sec. Wait, let me turn the AC on because this shit is hot in here. All right, we're good. We are good. When did you make your first 10K a month? Over a year ago. Yeah, man, chat. I got the munch on deck. Oh, shit. Exciting times, low-key. What's good, W7? What's good, Darius, as well? Jay, what's poppin'? All right, man. So, look, guys, we have... What do we have today? We have NFP. NFP is going to be exciting. We have NFP and then potentially unemployment claims as well. I don't know if unemployment claims is actually going to come out or not. It says it's tentative right now, so whether that means it's going to come out or not, who knows. But either way, we're going to be here. I'm probably going to trade the aftermath of news on an eval. Or maybe on a PA, actually, depending on what actually happens here. But I think there's so much potential here. All right, we haven't had a news event in a long time, but let me do a quick analysis here. So we've got a weekly time frame here, chat. It's kind of doji right now. I do believe we've been waiting for news all morning, to be truly honest. Yeah, I think we've been waiting for news all week, sorry. Daily as well, doji right now. 4 hours just kind of doing nothing. We've been ranging a little bit, consolidating a little bit. 1 hour has just been consolidating all evening, all through London, all morning. So realistically, we're obviously going to need to see news most likely. But let's look at some key levels we have here. We have a level at 40.53, which should take you down towards 40.07 if you do close below there. After that, guys, we have I would argue the next level is going to be up here towards 41.07. Yeah, once you close above there, that's super clean. Super clean to take you up towards the highs here. Yeah, cool. Yeah, up to 153. All right, guys. So basically, we have some super clean levels here to base our trades off of. So if it comes up to news here, which is, by the way, how long is news here? It comes out in 45 minutes. So, I mean, I'm probably not going to take a trade before news. I mean, we'll see. If something crazy sets up, then yeah, I'll take it. But if something forms after news, like a breakout, we'll obviously take that, and that'll be the play. But I think we're going to have to wait and see, to be truly honest. No, mate. Guys, how's your guys' week been, though? What you guys been up to? How's your trading been? You guys sitting in profit? Drawdown for the week? Positive, negative? Who's been taking advantage of that Apex sale? Let me know. Yeah, I feel like there should be way more people now. It's NFP, right? Everyone should be on the charts, but socials seem dead. Which is kind of interesting. Not just mine, I mean in general. I would have thought everyone would be gassed for NFP. I mean, we'll see. Gold's pushing up though. We are pushing up. So it takes you a year to pass from $0 to 10K a month? No, like 3 years probably. Past stage 1 and 2 separate challenges with less trades and high quality. Big difference. W, man. What's good, Will? 238 pepperonis. That's fire. 238 is big. Guys, I just requested another payout here on Apex. I got another one coming, or maybe another 2 coming tonight. I'm not sure. I need to check my consistency scores. But Apex is looking good here. That'll be like 3 payouts for the week. Nice little 3K added to the bottom line. Not bad. How you been, man? Chilling. Chilling, bro. How about you? This food is too good. Yeah, also guys, I have a big announcement coming out soon. A big announcement, like, honestly, if you're not following my Instagram or you're not in the free Discord, make sure you are, because that's where I'm doing all of my communicating from now. Obviously the streams are now like once or twice a week rather than daily. So you guys gotta stay in touch with the other channels. Otherwise, you're not gonna know what's going on in TRLS, right? Let's go, SG. Massive congrats. I appreciate it, man. How you doing, mate? I'm good, Joshua. Twice in this week, and the world must be ending. Bro, what are you on about, man? I used to stream daily. I recently closed my IG. Time to jump back into Discord. I mean, why'd you ever leave? What's that about? I don't trade your strategy, but I like it, and I like your honesty and vibe. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. It really does help out. By the way, guys, I dropped a banger video yesterday on YouTube. It's a screamer. Yo, what's NQ doing? Pushing up. Don't you know, pump it up. Yeah. Nothing personal. I just got bored of turning all of your into liquidity. Crazy. What broker do you use? I don't promote a broker, really. Why is NQ ripping like this right now? New subscribers here, love your videos, buddy. I'm a 49-year-old and just getting past break-even stage. Hey, welcome. I'm glad you enjoy the videos. And 49 just getting past. I have students older than you, so I wouldn't worry about that. I have students that are, 15, 20 years older than you, so you're all good, man. There's no time pressure. No time pressure, so yeah. You're doing well, man. Just keep it pushing. You can never be, what is it, better late than never, or whatever it is. You trade live or just funded? I trade both, man. I trade both, but I'm just not like affiliated with any brokers. What's good? Alright, Dusty Bikes, how's it going, man? What's poppin'? Yeah, I didn't really announce this stream, to be honest. I probably should have announced it like yesterday or the day before, but there we go. So dedicated like you wouldn't know. There we are, man. That's all you need. Oh yeah, why am I on NQ? Top part of your screen is cut off? Nah. Is it? Shouldn't be. Can't see the minutes. W camera quality. Hey, I appreciate it, man. I have a Sony A6400. It's nothing crazy, but obviously studio lighting and everything. It works well. Yeah, man, guys. A lot of opportunity today coming into the market. I was going to say as well, I've got a big announcement coming shortly, right? Like literally, I think December 1st, I'm dropping a new thing, let's say. Now I'm dropping something crazy, right? Something that's going to change a lot of your traders' lives. So make sure you stay in touch in the Discord or in the Instagram. Just so you know what's going on inside TRLS, what's happening. Keep yourself up to date. You don't want to miss out on this shit, man. It's honestly a game changer. Stick with SG, got me crushing life, not just trading. Hey, Tony, I really appreciate that, man. I really appreciate that. Hi, does Alpha Futures actually pay out profits when you pass the evaluation? I'm thinking about buying an account, but I want to make sure they are legit. Would love your honest opinion. Yes, they are legit, 100%. Alpha Futures is the firm, or Alpha Capital Group, or I guess the Alpha Group, because Alpha Capital Group and Alpha Futures are like sister companies, let's say. They're the prop firm I trust most in the world, like unironically. I've been working with Alpha Capital for the past like 2 years, Alpha Futures for the past couple of months. They're great, honestly, really, really good. So if you do want to grab an account with Alpha Capital, code TRLS gets you the biggest discount, by the way. You're gonna look at BTC? Oh, please tell me it's okay. Good. Guys, we respected the. I don't use FVGs, but someone pointed it out, and we actually respected it. Like a weekly FVG here, or daily FVG. But my buy entry on Bitcoin, if you guys didn't know, I tweeted about this the other day. So if you don't follow the Twitter, make sure you follow that. My buy entry on Bitcoin is like 90, 50. So like 90K, 90,000 and $50, which is around here. Which should be interesting. You gotta speak with the Alpha Cap boys about the website. Sometimes the buttons don't work. Yeah, I don't know why that is. I'm not a web guy, low-key. Using props to hedge BTC is a goated move. How would you do that? Or like sell? Why that spot? Why does that look like an FVG? It is an FVG, but that's not why I took it. I just was based off of fundamentals. I just wanted to see a tap back into like 90K, and we saw it, right? We actually went a little bit further down to like 88. The reason being as well, right? If we get back up to all-time highs, which I'm confident that we will, that's a 40% gain right there. I'm probably not going to hold past that, to be honest. I would rather just let it sweep out the highs and take a 40% profit. That's not terrible. Especially I put like multiple, not multiple, but I put around 5 figures into it. So it's a relatively big investment. Yeah, I hear that W7. That could be cool. It's actually a good idea. Would you add a crypto/stocks chat? I did have one before, but it didn't really get used as much. Everyone just put it in the trading chat anyway. I mean, I can add one back. It's not a problem. What's good, guys? How's it going, man? NFP buy or sell? Both, same time. No, I'm joking. I'm not someone who tries to predict the news move, right? That's not me. Bow, 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 bow. Got in BTC at 45k, doubled this year, took out half and left half in. Smart move. 45k is a good buy. A good buy. I was in it before, but I sold all my crypto a couple of months ago. Like all of it. I sold all of my Ethereum at the very top, all of my Solana at the very top. Bitcoin, I got out at like a average entry, I'd say. Like it was probably somewhere around like 100k. With Apex, can you full port one account one way? And yeah, you can, Bedge. Yeah. That's why I like Apex, because you can get accounts passed so easily. Like I passed 4 Apex accounts yesterday. And yeah, requested 3 payouts on different ones. Chat, we're coming up to like, I think I broke 10k in payouts this month. In one trade. Wait, one sec. No, in one trade. Missing the academy, man. My bank's fucking with me, not allowing me to make the payment. You can pay me in crypto. I don't know why your bank's not letting you do it, low key. Yeah, guys, if you do want to trade with me every single day, right? I do also have the TRLS Academy, right? Where you can trade live with me every single day inside the Discord, and you get access to my entire course. You can? Yeah, if you want to send me crypto, we can sort it out. Not a problem. Oh, guys, we're 100% win rate in the academy. Like since it started, I haven't lost a trade in there. Fuck. Shouldn't have said that. But no, realistically, we've been killing it inside there. It's live every New York session. Yeah, every New York session, man. Apart from the ones that I'm live on YouTube, right, where like it's once a week. But obviously you're getting that anyway. And I send all my trades in, right? Like for example, yesterday we didn't catch anything on stream. But was that yesterday? Yeah, it was. I signaled a buy, 41.21. Got in buys at 41.21 on gold. And yeah, printed. Where are my drawings? Okay. Where was that? That was like here, no? Wait, 41.21. Oh yeah, it was here. Crazy. Yeah, offer like a retest here. And then this one, took it up. We closed like on the flip. My country's legit fucked regarding international payments. They have blocked my account. Is it India or what? That's the only country I've ever had people struggle to pay me from. Honestly, the banking system's terrible. Really, really bad. Yeah, you got that right, yeah. I thought so. Like, when I moved to Cyprus, I had to send like a lot of money from the UK to Cyprus. And bro, like one of my banks I had to send 10,000 from, which was Like, not the biggest transfer I made, but they just literally went, nah. I was like, what do you mean no? And they were like, nah, sorry. I don't want you to take that. I don't want you to make this transaction. I was like, what do you mean? It's my money. They were like, nah. Nah, sorry. Just like, yeah, good, actually. That's really good. Just can't even move your own money at this point. They say they're going to sort it out by next week. If not, I'm going to pay you through crypto. All right, bro. I got you. Just give me a shout. Guys, we are ripping up here. Absolutely ripping it up. What do you guys think is going to happen on NFP? I think it's going to be a really big news event. It's the first news event we've had since CPI, I think. So it's been a while. I have a feeling it's going to make a very big move though. All right, cool. I'm investing 50% of my first payout in 26 to tools for trading. I'm considering joining even though I use a different strat for the mental stuff and not being so lonely in NY session. Yeah, man, it's definitely something that can help you, you know, in terms of like psychology, even like the prop firm strategy side, everything, man. Like, I mean, look, I'm not going to try and sell you on it. If you want to join, you can join. But I think if you ask the Academy guys, they'll tell you it's good. At what stage would you look to enter a trade after news? Yeah, that's a good question, guys. I'd be looking at something like a breakout above one of the levels. So let's say, for example, there's two options. Either, oh, by the way, the hourly closed, no top wick here, I forgot to say. But either the 30-minute closes above, all right? And then you get like a bottom wick on news and then a flick. Or if it just wicks straight up, I'd wait for it like a 5 or a 15-minute to close above a level and then just try and jump on the wave in terms of the momentum and the volatility, right? That's what I'll be sort of looking at here. Can vouch? Yeah, see, Ewan's in the Academy, so is Mighty Me. Vanguard wants to pull credit from tons of companies. Big liquidity issue coming. What does that mean for the market? Not the biggest fundamental guy, to be honest. Guys, wait, give me a sec. I'll be back in 1 sec. We are back. What's good, Dale? What's good, Rays? NFP ready? Yes, sir. What's good, boy? I'm chilling, man. Ready to full port. No, I'm joking. But we are ripping up here before news, so maybe we're pricing some shit in. What do they actually expect from it? Non-farm employment change, 53. Is this a delayed one though, right? Release date delayed by 48 days due to the US government shutdown. Sick. So this is This is actually NFP from 48 days ago. Changing the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry. I think it's going to have a massive impact. I think it's going to have a massive, massive impact. Everyone's jumping in buys before the news by the looks of things. Trying to front run essentially the news is what I was trying to say. I say we top tick the sales. Fire. Let's do it. Chat, listen, 70 people in here right now. Drop a like if you haven't already. If you haven't liked the stream, I'm literally giving you free trades, free value. So yeah, do one. By the way, chat, you'll see in the top of the screen, right? The last trade we took in the academy on stream. What does that say right there? NQ sells 255 ticks. You know how big that is? It's the monster trade, chat. That's like, I don't know, something ridiculous. Trading a demo with ChatGPT? Bro. So far we're about 2 for 2, approaching TP. There's no way I've spent 5 years learning to trade and then ChatGPT is going to outtrade us. I will not let it happen. Categorically not. Alright? Getting really sick of this. Guys, by the way, in the Discord, I see people getting hella payouts, hella passes and everything. Congratulations if you've been killing it. And if you haven't got to that stage so far, then what do you think is stopping you? Let me know. Watch me was 10 100k challenges. Just watch me pass 10 100k challenges just with GPT. Bro, forgot how to type for a second right there. Yeah, that'd be sick to be fair, low-key. Alpha ticks. Yeah, my Alpha Futures. By the way, yeah, I'm 200k funded on Alpha Futures now. I'm like 400k with Apex. 250 with. So I think we've dropped below $1 million, to be honest. Nah. Wait, actually, maybe not. 200k Alpha Futures. That's 200k. 250 with Top Step. That's 450. 400 with Apex, that's what, 850 plus 150k Traderify, that's $1 million. All right, nah, we're good. We good. Posting my first payout using the TRLS strat Monday. Let's fucking go. Hey, let's go, man. Mighty Meat, congrats, that's huge. What's the time span of when you can take a trade with a funded PA before or after news? What firm? I think with, I don't know what it is with Apex. AlphaTix or TradingView better? AlphaTix. Like Project X is the best platform to trade futures on. Definitely. Definitely I hustle, blood. Definitely I grind. It's a niche reference for anyone who gets that. All right, 5 minutes closing here. Guys, we've got 20 minutes until news, 10 minutes till comics open. Should be volume city in here. Project X only for Top Step now, right? Until Alpha Futures has it until February, and then they're getting rid of it, I think. Or not getting rid of it, I think they've been kicked off of it. By Project X. Which is kind of crazy. Top Step made the craziest marketing move in the world. I like to wait 15 to 30 minutes after news anyway. Oh no, yeah, that's fine, bro. It'll be like 1 or 2 minutes, if there is one. I think you can. I think you can trade it with Apex though. I just think you can't do buy stop, sell stop. Yeah. Bitcoin is going to 300 trillion, says Michael Saylor. This guy is not sure about this guy. Yeah, all right. Cool. I was in high school when that song came out. But the Old Rascal? Exactly. Exactly. Good catch. You were in high school. What song is that? I can't remember the name of it. It's Grease Mode, no? It's Skept. Wait. You might be thinking of different songs. See his post for leaving the burning ship? Yeah, he was on a life raft. That's ridiculous. Short it. What, Bitcoin? What's good, by the way, Luke? Yeah, I'm not short in Bitcoin, low key. Song was on Boy in the Corner? Yeah, okay. Guys, this is gonna be interesting here. 15-minute closing shortly. No wicks on any candles. Chat, we might have to do the method. Buy stop. And sell stop. Why is this a different color? Low-key, chat, which one's better? I kind of like this one better, now that I see it. Is there news today? Every time. Which position marker is better? I'm low-key thinking that this one might be. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. What? 30%. Definitely I hustle, but definitely I'm grind. Buy stop, sell stop, full port, no SL, open TP, TRLS. Yeah, let's do it, eh? Chat, for legal reasons, that's a joke. Alright, we're not porting anything. Which one is this? Oh my days, I'm tripping. There we are. Cool. Full DJ mode? Never. I can see that you trade on TradingView through TradeAvate. Which funded account can be connected to this setup? Is it possible to link TopStep account directly to TradingView? No, not TopStep. You can do that using like TradeSync or something like that. You can connect a TopStep account. But Tom's gay. You can do it with Apex. You can do it with Tradeify. You can do it with anything other than TopStep, and you can do it with Alpha Futures as well because they offer TradeAvate. So any prop firm that offers TradeAvate on NinjaTrader, really. Where is Tom? What's good, Anil? Bro, he's scrolling in the other room, man. I just keep getting sent reels. You want to? I can't even show you the reels he sent me. I don't think they're safe for work. There he is, chat.
I just watched a video breaking down what trades buy side year to date percentage return is. Do you want to have a guess?
Like a million.
509,000% this year. Yeah, to be fair.
Is that beating the S&P?
Bro, mate, that's beating.
It's a joke.
That's beating everything.
This is the guy that made a mil in 1 day, 100 mil in 1 day, right?
I don't think I could even demo trade that well. Like,
No.
it's impossible.
If I put orders both sides of the market, would 100% use Def Maul Saber to activate them and then chill until I exit them? Bro, the market would just go, watch out.
Yeah, I'm really, really praying for no Wigsaw here.
Well, you would only need to pray for that if you were doing buy stop, sell stop, which we aren't, so.
Yes, I mean hypothetically. Hypothetically, if I was to place a buy stop, sell stop on Apex's extremely cheap accounts right now, then hypothetically a Wigsaw would not be good.
Because hypothetically, you could go over to Apex Trader Funding, right? And use code TRLS. They could do that. And then what you could do is, obviously we've got NFP coming out in 12 minutes, so you've just got enough time to buy the account. And then you could place like a buy stop above the high here and like a sell stop down here with like, I'd say 5 minis, right? And then what you could do is,
5 minutes is what I've been hypothetically considering.
yeah, and then you just close out when the account's passed, and you pass all the accounts. Hypothetically, chat.
One more hypothetical.
Just playing devil's advocate here.
Yeah, I'm considering adding another 250k funding in the next, 20 minutes or so. But no, do you know what it is? You're just gonna see me on the sofa either go, or just oh man,
that is so that's so true. It's even gonna be it. All right.
Maybe I don't do all of the accounts today. That's kind of ridiculous.
Is Tom single? Yeah, desperately.
It is news tomorrow as well, though. So like,
hypothetically, what you could do is you could get to like 500k in funding in the next 2 days by buying 5 accounts today and 5 accounts tomorrow and full porting.
Or you could lose on both days.
No, don't tell them that. No, I'm joking. Chat, trade responsibly. Are we totally not full porting this news? Yeah, no. SG buy stops or sell stops? Both. Buy stop, sell stop? I don't know what that is. So these people keep talking about buy stop, sell stop. I'm not sure what that is. Is that a new strategy?
Yeah. If you were to mark out the highs and the lows, typically what time frame would you want to do it on?
Hypothetically.
Hypothetically.
I'd do the 1 minute. I'd just stick it there and there. To be honest. But that's just me. Okay, chat. I'm not a trader, I just know the future. I'm a futures trader. Smart. That was a genuine question. What? Like, you can do it. I'm not going to do it.
No, me neither.
It sounds like a child's TV show about trading. Buy, stop, sell, stop. Yeah, maybe. Chat. Oh, you just gave me a really mad throwback. What was that TV show with the house with a face? Do you know what I mean? Mate, please tell me you used to... Oh, yeah. Step Inside, was it called? Bro, did you used to watch this? This show was in my nightmares.
No. What the fuck is that?
It's like this TV program, and the bloke's like, this is his house, but it's got a face.
I've never seen that before.
This guy. Chat, tell me someone watched that. Bro, I can't be the only one that's watched this. It was on CBeebies when I was a kid.
I watched that normal shit. The numbers.
Oh, the numbers were good. Yeah, Numberjacks was goated. Oh, but just you wait until... What's his name? Comes along. Hang on. Let's just... What are all the characters in this show? Because you've got 0, you've got 1, you've got 2, 3. There was a 4, yeah, a 5.
If they haven't seen that ball now,
It's just ridiculous.
I sent you it on.
Yeah, I know. What's his name? It's like Glurbo or something like that. I don't know. Anyway. Only you that, G. Remember the one where the kids have got to escape the tower by going through the different hatches and challenges? Trapped.
Oh, that one was well good.
Trapped was good. This is my mentor, by the way. Yeah. I watched Puberty Pals. What is that?
Yeah,
That's yo, bro, have you experienced a losing streak? Of course, every trader has. And if they say they haven't, they're not a proper trader. You're trapped. Nah, the best, low-key, I would have been so bad at that game because when they whisper in your ear, like, Sam, do not react. You are the saboteur. I definitely would have gone, get in. Come on, my son. Did you watch UFC last weekend? No, I'm not an NPC. I'm joking. No, I didn't see it. Bread and Circuses chat. Nah, the best TV show was that I used to love, bro. Was what's it called? Someone tell me they watched The Faraway Tree. Like, and again, this is gonna be another one where you guys are like, what the fuck is that? But like, bro, it was a book and then a show. I used to watch it in the back of my parents' car. This one. Tell me you used to watch this. This shit was goated. Is Tom okay? He seems kind of down as of late. He's well depressed because he's just... Ask him that question again in approximately 7 minutes and then we'll see. I'm about 6.5% into my, down in my FTMO challenge. You think my case still has hope? Yeah, of course. Just drop the risk. Codename Kids Next Door. It was good, Joe. Yeah, I watched that a little bit. What are you watching now? Are these from the 90s? Yeah, I low-key think my parents might have put me onto the 90s TV shows. Low-key, they were better. When I got a bit older, I watched like shit like Phineas and Ferb and everything, but... Brum? Yeah, I remember Brum. What's good, Jar? How's it going, brother? Chat, we have 6 minutes till news here. Let's lock it in a little bit. Forming a little range on gold here, which is good if you wanted to partake in Tom's hypothetical situation. What other TV shows did I used to watch? I just said let's lock it in and then we're talking about TV shows. What was the guy who stole the numbers in the Numberjack show? Good, bro. You well? Yeah, I'm doing very well, man. I'm doing very well. Chat, it's been a good month, man. I've requested 10 payouts on Top Step this month, and I've requested 3 on Apex this week. It's been good. The number taker, yeah, that's it. Is there a way to guess news direction? Yeah. Wait, you're the best at this one. Get it out.
No. Oh yeah, the crystal ball.
Hang on.
I'm getting a feeling.
I'm getting a vision.
I'm not doing my analysis right now.
Nah, Peter, there's not, man. There's not. Unironically. You're doing your analysis right now. Is that like... I know exactly what that is. It's definitely the position markers. Tom and Jerry, Brum, Art Attack, Looney Tunes. Art Attack's fire. Can you make a video on your 2025 performance? Oh, best believe I'm going to do a video on my 2025 performance. Especially, I'm going to react to that. Let's see if he's still around in 2025. If you guys don't know about that clip, you're not an OG. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. That clip is getting rinsed by me the moment it turns 2026. Because, holy. I've had a record year, chat. But you can't make money trading with a negative RR. All right, mate. I actually haven't been trading crazy negative RR this like past couple of months, but some trades, yeah. That guy, yeah, I know. Yeah, man. Oh, chat. 5 Minuten. How did you know each other? What, me and Tom? Uni. You look smaller. Have you completely stopped training? That's ridiculous. I've just been training my bank account, Joe. I don't think I got smaller. I got really lean for a bit, and then recently I've just been a big fat piggy in terms of food, right? And I've put on a bit of weight, but I don't think I don't know, maybe. I've seen a lot of one-to-one risk to reward coming from you, and that's a crazy R considering your win rate didn't take a hit. I know, yeah, like, real talk, we've been doing one-to-one risk to reward with like a 70 to 75% win rate, which is like ridiculously profitable, right? Like if you can have a 60% win rate with one-to-one, you're making money. That guy that jumped into the last vid, hating before the vid even premiered, was crazy. I know, yeah, that was mad. Bro's approaching small and gay. It's creeping up on us. It's pre-news volume. Chat, news coming out here in like 3 minutes.
I might have to rotate to the other room temporarily.
I'll be back in 1 sec. Wait. Yeah, you can do it.
Guys, I don't know, is that going to focus? This is it. Now I can't disclose what those lines are for, but they are for something. Where's this chat gone? No, I'm not in. Yeah, of course, eval. Are you joking? There's absolutely no way I would do that on a PA.
Yeah, no. Right, come on. A minute to go, chat. What's your RR on average? Yeah, Range Rover SVR. Nah, low-key on my PAs, it's actually been around like 2 to 1, but and that's not because I aim for that. It's just because the trades have been running like that. Chat, we've got a minute remaining. Can I get £10 mentorship? £5 munch. You have... Oh, wait, I'm not going to say that. Is that... Oh, wait, that's not for me. All right, cool. One minute to go, chat. Holy. This is going to be an interesting one. What do we think news is going to do, chat, by the way? Type 1 in the chat for up, 2 in the chat for down. 1 for up, 2 for down. My strat is 0.2 RR and has a 92% win rate. Holy RR. 30 seconds. Pushing down here, chat. What's gonna happen? Just ripping. There it goes. We're moving, man. Yo, what? No way. You might actually flip here, chat. If Loki, if this flips, you probably rip. Account gone. It's actually gonna flip.
What did it come out as?
Yeah, what did news come out as actually? That's a good point. Wait, let me check. 1 minute. What's the 1 minute doing? Close below. Flip him. It came out as good for currency, which is bad for gold, but it's actually come out mixed. Kind of interesting, chat. One minute flipping down here. Maybe it fills the wick. I've conferred with my friend. Do you...
Only filled me for half.
So Tom had buy stops and sell stops. Got filled on half of it.
Yeah, so I did 1,500 across 5 accounts, but
Not bad. Not bad.
do you know what it is? Like you know on TraderVate, you know you have the order bars at the bottom.
Yeah.
I didn't have that, so all I heard was just order filled, but
Oh, you couldn't see anything.
I couldn't see, so I just kind of manually. I don't know if I got executed in my stop or my take profit or not, but I just manually closed at like about here.
Yeah. Okay. Fair.
I don't think it was going to run far enough for a pass.
Highest unemployment in 4 years. Holy. Surely. Wait. What's NQ doing? NQ must be. Holy. NQ might have been the move.
Is that what was gold?
Well, gold's done a little bit of a wigsaw, hasn't it? Like it's flipped now.
Yeah, but the move is which move was bigger?
Oh no, the gold move's probably bigger. Actually, no. NQ was double the size.
Yeah, but gold's like.
But gold,
twice as
yeah.
priced, like for the moves.
Guys, there's over 75 people in here right now. Only 20 likes. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. Otherwise, you're all getting banned. Like dead serious. But the good thing is, news came out right now, which is good. So we have. Oh, you're ripping down here. Holy.
I don't have any resting orders, do I?
No, you can just do.
I had to turn the
you'll be fine.
the bracket off. You can't do bracket orders with a group.
Oh, that's
I
shit.
realised 15 seconds before. I never changed something so fast before. It was ridiculous.
We might fill back down through the lows here, chat. That's interesting. One minute pushing down, starting to reject. So what we can do now, chat, is wait for some direction and see if we can close outside of this range. If we can, then to me it looks like, to be honest, sells are on the cards with the way news came out.
One of them got activated a blue one and up 1,500 on 3. How's that even possible?
Did they send you the funded account? No, not yet, Bill.
They're all copy traded.
We have unemployment claims as well, but that's tentative. When's it meant to come out? 5 closed bearish, chat. Closed bearish, but the structure's still bullish, which is very interesting. Coming up towards a flip potentially here as well. With the news being as bearish as it is, though, you would expect it to push down. But again, it could do anything, right? Weak ass NFP. I would argue that wasn't weak. It was the strongest one so far, no? Like in terms of, not in terms of the reaction, but in terms of the actual like fundamental numbers and everything.
That's so weird.
Might rip up, you know? It could do anything here, guys. Could literally do anything right now. 5 closed bearish. 1 minute structure is bearish. But the 15 and 30 in 1 hour is bullish, so it's very interesting right now, chat. Numbers are strong. I'm thinking about, yeah, you are right. You are right in terms of the reaction, yeah. What's good, truck driver? How's it going? Just got a call from an undisclosed person saying the real dump is going to be at NYC Open. Might as well stay on for that, bruh. I'll be on for NYC Open. Don't you worry about that. Don't you worry, man. Ripping back up, chat. This is so indecisive, it's crazy. Technically, this should be bearish for gold, but now the 15's flipped here. Which is just mad. Madness, I tell you. Yeah, flipped and broke the highs, chat. Not the hourly highs, just the 30 highs. I don't really want to take a position here just yet. I would rather wait and see some closures. We have a 5-minute closure in 2 minutes, a 15-minute closure just after that. We are absolutely ripping right now, chat. Rip City right here. Big bottom wick. There is a yeah, this does look good in terms of buys, right? But it's just like, bro, if you FOMO'd into sells, you got absolutely cooked. Wasn't there a free chat on Discord? There is a free chat on Discord still. There's a free section, yeah, like the trading section. Can you not see it or what? 1 minute closed above structure. Struggling to do both directions here, chat. It looks like we're not going to be able to take advantage of that news volume, but we might be able to take advantage of the external push afterwards, right? And also we might be able to take advantage of the 15-minute close coming shortly, NYSE, all of those things, right? So there's a lot of opportunity here, chat. I like a lot of opportunity, unironically. See what this 5 does. Closure above 4107 and a bottom wick with smack. Yeah, that would be insane. That would be insane. That would be such a good position for us to take. But to be honest, if this 15 closes bullish, I might have an aggressive stab at some buys.
I just don't like 15 no bottom wick.
Yeah, that is true. 5-minute closed above.
So it's gonna flip.
The 15 does have a bottom wick. Big one.
Oh, sorry, I'm looking at NQ.
I'm not looking at NQ. This looks good, chat. There is a level here that we've sort of just tapped off of now, though. 40.96, I think, is a relatively decent level on, like... It's actually a level on the 1 as well. So I would be a little bit concerned about this area here, too. 40.97. The stops are going to be huge on that 15. Yeah, but I think also TP could be big, right? So I'm not too worried about like risk to reward on this. Chat, what do you guys know about $1 billion? Are you familiar? Did you blow?
No. Still got Jordan on it.
I'm staying out personally, not gonna lie. No, that's fair enough. I'm staying out for right now too. I don't think there's any setups right now. Took a shit you lost earlier? Danny, bro. What's going on? Talk to me, man. Okay. Check your messages. I will do, bro. I will do. What do you guys know about Gazilli? Probably less than you, Mark. You're the first ever Gazillionaire, so... I can't believe the highest... Is that genuinely the highest unemployment claims ever? Oh wait, no, the highest NFP, sorry. But that's good. That's good, because that's the most people in employment. Right? Yeah. Changing the number of employed people, not unemployed people. My London streamer ignored my challenge. You accept ASG? I've decided to become a billionaire. Want to race there? I'm already there, man. Sorry to say it. I win. You know Jeff Bezos, right? You know when he wants to show a bit of wealth and like show his boats and shit, he comes to me and asks if he can borrow the yacht for the weekend. That's the sort of level I'm talking about. You guys didn't know that because I'm super humble, right? The group yacht? Oh yeah. Not the group Eurus. The group V8. Five pushing down here, chat. So we are rejecting off this 4097 level. So what you've just done there, chat, is you've trapped sellers from here and you've trapped buyers from here. Fire. Race to billion liquid? Yeah, ideal. I wonder if anyone has it. Nah, people will have a billion liquid. Oh my days, chat. This is the most indecisive news event ever. Normally on gold, when there's news, it just goes whoop, and then just like consistently runs there without ever stopping, right? But this one's just gone, nah, you know what? We're not gonna do that. I mean, yeah, potentially. $15 closed above. Like 15 goes kind of doji, also kind of above. Chat, did anyone take any positions here off the news aftermath? If yes, let me know what you got. As indecisive as my girl when I ask her what we should eat. There's nothing as indecisive as that. That's peak indecision right there. Longs from 68.6. Might close it now. 68.6 is crazy. GG's. That's pretty insane. Oh, the music stopped. Wait. Alright, cool. Guys, basically what I'm looking for now, though, is I want to see a closure outside of the level, outside of either level. Preferably, I think the buys would be nice. But I mean, it depends here. Gold's very indecisive right now. It seems to be just consolidating between two areas. Maybe we're starting to form a little range. Maybe it wants to wait for the news tomorrow, right? Because we do have a big red folder event as well tomorrow, right? It's PMI. Yeah, flash manufacturing PMI. Which could be interesting. Win longs on NQ2 from 092. I'll hold that for sure. Bro's multi-trading. I respect it. It's not easy to do. What do you think about this position I took this morning? 30-minute close below at 10:30. We pushed up, no bottom wick. I took the 5-minute sky dweller. 30-minute close below at 10:30. 10:30 what? Our time here. You took a 5-minute sky dweller. What? Sells. Is there one? Oh, like here. Oh no, here. Yeah. It's kind of difficult because there's not much liquidity being grabbed, right? You haven't really grabbed much liquidity from above here. You've only grabbed liquidity from below. So I would have waited for like a lot more liquidity to be grabbed in order to take sales there. Preferably above the range too. That would be way nicer. You know what I mean? We're ripping up right now, chat. This is mad interesting. I just want to see a closure, to be honest, like a good closure. Next 5-minute close, no top wick and open bottom wick first, so I trade my stops to the flip. Next, wait. Close no top wick. This one, yeah. So you trade your stops to the flip of where? Of this. Oh, that's good management then, yeah. Yeah, really, really good management, bro. Good shit. That's really good management. I like that.
Thank you.
Boom, I'm the winner. Why are you the winner, Eugene? What are you saying? NQ's ripping.
Yeah, I can think break the highs.
Holy shit, yeah. Gold is starting to push up as well here. Gold closing bullish here. Interesting. 5-minute close bullish. Maybe chat, if we get like an hourly close here, bullish, above. Problem is, 97 is a relatively strong level, right? There's like a lot of resistances here. Wherever you put one, there's a resistance. Like you have one here, here. Like there's lots of resistances, which makes it very difficult. I do think we're going to push up, but it also is directly against my strategy. What do you guys know about Spanakopia? Spanakopita, whatever the fuck it's called. It's fucking good. Very nice. Stream keeps going on and off. Blurry for me too. Anyone else experiencing that, chat? I think, what's good by the way, Mr. Walsh? I think it's fine on my end. I'm not seeing any metrics saying that the stream's lagging or anything. Chat, make sure you drop a like on the stream, right? 60 people in here. I appreciate it very much. Guys, if you're not already in the free Discord, make sure you are. Like I said earlier, right, I'm dropping some big announcements in the next couple of weeks. So, if you want to make bread trading, you need to stay tapped in with the community. Otherwise, you're going to miss out. Low-key, it's kind of hot in here. Why?
I just can't take orders on it. It's not there. But I can take orders on all the other ones.
Show me.
It's account 21.
21?
But like if you go to the top.
This one?
Yeah, like go on here.
It's blown.
No, it's not. Don't really get it.
Maybe you don't have the margin to place the size you're trying to place. Like if you go here.
Nah, because I've even tried just placing one micro. It's really weird.
That is weird.
Don't know. I'll just wait till tomorrow. I've been trading the other ones anyway.
Yeah, fair. What's good, Jovan? 4 hour closes, it goes up to 4100 and gets denied. I will look to sell there. Okay. 4 hour closes in an hour and a bit though. It's a little bit of a while. Chat, we're pushing back down here. Holy shit. Are we going to start forming the barcode of doom right now? By the way, guys, currently there is the biggest sale I've ever seen Apex doing, right? They have $80% off all accounts plus $40 activation fees, which is like basically a 50k account all in is $76, which is so fucking ridiculously cheap. Like crazy cheap. I've stacked so many. You can get the same discount using code TRLS. Make sure you go ahead and take advantage of it, because if you are trying to scale your funded capital, that is the best offer I've ever seen. My broker 4 hour closes in 6 minutes. Yeah, different broker. It's different, right? Maybe we get like an NQ trade. In fact, I haven't done an NQ analysis here. Let's do one. Oh my god, look at the NQ weekly. That is ridiculous. Daily. 4 hour.
That's really weird. I got Wixall in one account, but not the others.
Right. So did it get blown?
No.
Oh.
But no, because like all of the accounts bar one are in profit. Like it only filled the Wixall on one account, but it didn't on the other three.
Yeah. That's weird. Guys, NQ looks pretty clean right now in terms of buys. That might be what I look for here, to be honest. Might look for some NQ buys after a closure above on the hourly. News was bullish for NQ, so I expect it to rip up. If you could come all the way back down, I know it's going to be a big, big ask, but if you could come down and tap into, where is this? 25,200 roughly. I think that would be very good for some buys. Tried the code previously on 25k account. It's for only $33. Bro, a 50k account's only $36. You may as well get the 50k. Gold's ripping down. Guys, this could be good on NQ here. I'm not gonna lie. Retest into that 200 level looks super clean. Hopefully it doesn't do it before the close, right? Basically looking for like this. Break, retest, take it up to the high. We can do stops below here. And then, I know you do have a level here, but I think you should at least tap into like, whoa, new color? I know, crazy, right? I was thinking about changing chart colors entirely, right? I made a video the other day and I had white chart colors and I was like, looks kind of nice. Best part about TRLS is it works on both NQ and gold. I love that shit. Yeah, no, it's really nice. All right, guys. Let's lock it in here. We've got 2 minutes till a potential position. What are we going to be looking at here? Wait, we don't want 20, do we? Definitely not. 5 maybe. I will do 6, make it an even number. So basically what I want to see now, chat, is like, why not stops below the current hourly? I just want to give it some breathing room to come and get this wick. There's a no bottom wick on the 30, all right? If it wants to come down and grab that wick, that would nearly stop you out, right? Because it might come a little bit further. Depends, right? We probably trail stops after a flip, right? But you could put stops there if you wanted. Are you in? Not yet. What happens in the past? You close above here, you rip. Close above here, rip. Yeah, there's kind of a level here. So it might be a little bit aggressive, guys, but at the same time, I don't mind being a bit aggressive now. You know, I'm in a position where I can do that. What does the loaded part and loaded fries mean? I'm not even going to justify that one, I don't think. I'm going to be in on the wick. Yeah, if it retaps into 25-200, I'll be in. Thank you breaks that high where it is. It's daily resistance kind of, so if it breaks, it may rip. Yeah, it could do. I'm expecting, sort of accounting on the fundamentals as well. Market structure is extremely bullish. Obviously, news just came out extremely bullish. Let's see. Can we grab a bottom wick here? That's not a bottom wick, is it, NQ? That's quite clearly not a bottom wick. This might be there.
Where do you want to see it come down to?
200. It's quite a way, but I want to see the liquidity grab at 200, to be truly honest. What was BU point? Purple line? Yeah. When do you stream on YouTube? When do you stream Discord? Discord's pretty much every day. If I'm streaming on YouTube, I'll let you know in the Discord. That's why you gotta have notifications on, chat. Notifications on Discord and on Instagram. It's very important. We're flipping here, guys. It's kind of not really that good if you flip here. Yeah, I think that might be gone. Didn't give us the wick we wanted, to be honest. Gold closed bearish on the hourly, which is kind of crazy. I'm not taking sales there though. I just wanted to see that retest, chat. I think that would have been super clean. 1 minute looks decent. Yeah, 1 minute structure's bullish. 5 minute looks good. It's probably gonna rip through, chat. It's probably gonna rip through. If it does rip through, then so be it. If it comes down now, then yeah, we could take a position off of that. I would need it to come down like now though. If it pushes any further up, that's a bit ridiculous. Also, if you break these previous lows now, that's sort of bearish structure on the 1 minute, which you don't really want to see. Yeah, structure's bullish on the higher time frame and the lower time frame actually. This might have to be one we just let run, chat. So river, wait, what? Oh, denial, great. Classic. Fractals, yeah, the fractals look great. They look really good. I just can't take a buy off a 1 minute time frame, right? I wanted to see my higher time frame confluence first. But it is what it is, chat. Order filled. Whoa. NQ's sort of hovering here. Might time someone out. Time yourself out. Go get a beverage. This is weird price action, to be honest. Might just be post news. It's cold? Yeah, what temperature is it in the UK? I've been told it's like snowing and shit. One hour on gold, closed bearish, top wick then flip for sales. It actually didn't really close bearish, so it closed, I would say doji. Oh, NQ flipping here, chat. This is why you don't FOMO into positions, right? Snowed yesterday? Yeah, that's mad. Post news clarity. Oh, a bit of volume coming in, chat. Remember, we've got NYSE in like 25 minutes as well. A lot of volume right now, chat. Lot of volume. No position off the wick on NQ low. If it gets there, we'll see how it reacts, right? But it's made a top wick now. BTC eating all the longs. Oh, don't tell me that. Yeah. I mean, I'm still in profit. Just. I'm going to leave this marker on so you guys can stay up to date with my NQ position. Not NQ, BTC. What am I on about? Chat, I'm up and down like a BTC.
Let's go.
Let's go. Possibly the worst song ever. Genuinely the worst song I've ever probably heard. Oh no, chat. I'm down $9 today. $9 today. Do you know AJ Tracy? You know what's mad, yeah? Chat, a little story to be told. We go to the same like corner shop, right? Like every single day to get like whatever. And there's a guy in there that works night shifts from, where's he from? Like Nigeria?
Yeah.
Anyway, like super sound guys. I think he's like a little bit older than us. Anyway, we always talk to him. And the other day he was like, yeah, by the way, do you know Chip? Like Chipmunk, the rapper. And I was like, yeah. He was like, yeah, he was in here like 20 minutes ago. And I was like, what? He was like, yeah, Chip, you know, the UK rapper Chipmunk. And I was like, we were obviously like, yeah, we know him. And then he just shows me a photo and he was just in that corner shop. In like a random village in Cyprus.
Yeah, that is fucking wild.
It's just mad. And then he was like, yeah, and then like a week ago, or a couple of weeks ago, AJ, like Anthony Joshua was in here. It's like, what? It's fucking mental. Apparently, like, not apparently, where I live is like a very nice area, right? Like it's a very expensive area to live. And what happens is that like the celebrities, when they have to do shit, they live here and then they commute to like wherever they have to go. So like, I think Chip was performing in Napa, but he was like, fuck staying in Napa. So he just like got an Airbnb where we live. Lock in, uncle. Just not on really. Oh, good. Just smack my phone against my mic. That'll be good. Guys, we are pushing down here. Problem is, we made a top wick and you tapped into like some very key rejection areas here. So you can't just take a position just expecting the trend to continue.
That's a pretty successful news story. I think I fucked it up though. I think it's my fault. I manually closed.
Check Discord, we have a new SG. You manually closed. No, you probably just didn't get filled fully though.
I don't think it was going to run far enough, but I think at one point I did see like.
Oh, official SG.TRLS. Fire. So this guy actually even knows the...
Well, he's got the right bio.
No, the username has TRLS in it. So he actually knows like the community and shit. So it's one of you guys, low key. Who's the imposter? Mad how it says like they've typed out the member since February 2016. Like they've typed that out in the bio.
Yeah, that is crazy.
There's no mutual server. I think they leave the server or some shit. I don't know. SG Lite. Fanta Lite, bruv. Lost 500 this morning. My mentality hasn't been it today. Take a day off, man. There's no problem in taking a day off, right? The other day, some guy typed out the roles. Look convincing. Insane. Enter the FOMO trade on NQ. Down 1k for the day. Danny, leave your fucking house. Go touch some grass, gang. I will watch stream. No, it's going to give you FOMO, man.
I'm done. Take my schmeckles and go. I had to message Apex support though.
Why?
Just That's what TraderBait told me to do. The mystery wicks. Maybe it's because it looked like I hedged my account. I was in a buy and a sell.
Low-key, I'm thinking you might have gone down into like...
Oh, and come back up so quickly. That would make sense, to be fair though. I have 2,500 drawdown left. Sorry, I have 500 left. And I'm at negative 1,900 on the account. So if you add them together, that's 2,500.
Yeah. Apex versus Top Step, they're different. They're good for different things, like both of them, right? Apex is good because of the scalability, how easy it is to pass, like all of this shit, right? Top Step's good for the platform it's on. I guess the payout rules are a tiny bit easier on Top Step. Apex is also good because you can get like 100% of your money. Oh. My bad, chat. So you don't have to like, with Top Step, let's say I make 2K on a Top Step account, right? I can only request $1,000. Whereas like, and then, is there a profit split? No, I don't think there is. With Apex, you can only request like 500 for the first 3 payouts, and then you can request everything. Mark, why are you speaking to me in Spanish? You're not even Spanish. Oh, some guy at the Greek restaurant the other day taught me some shit. Kaliorexi. Right? Tell me if I just spat ball. Yeah, man. Mr. Greek over here. Imagine he just told me to like suck my wood or something. That's what it meant. Trendlines just requested me on Discord. Fire. What if NQ flips now could be valid? Yeah, we'll look at some closures here, guys. Like if the 5 could close bullish off of this, it could be decent. Oh, sleepy BPs, chat. Sleepy BPs, you know what I mean? NQ's ripping down. Oh, slight rejection off the lev. See what happens here, chat. It's me, I'm the official. What do you want to learn to say in Greek? I don't know. Big batty girl. I'm joking. She needs his money. I need my monies, man. Tell him to give me my money. Not too much of a bottom wick on the previous 30. Yeah, I know. That's what's difficult here. 5 minute looks really good though. If this 5 closes bullish, it kind of looks like unbelievable. But you've got 6 seconds. I think it's a bit ambitious. Trade, Novate. Yeah, Tradeovate on Apex, yes. Code TRLS on Apex is going to get you 80% off right now. So make sure you use that, right? If you do want to grab an account, the best sale in the entire trading space right now is the Apex sale. There's literally not one better. They fluctuate. Sometimes Alpha Futures has a better one. Currently, Apex is the best sale by a long, long way. Chat, what if you make $1 million? All right, cool. It's very hard to take payouts on Apex though, right? Because you have to make 5% to take out 500. Yeah, but after that, the buffer builds, right? And you can make a lot of money. The whole point of Apex is getting past the buffer to then like scale up, you know? That's when you make the most bread. So for example, I have accounts now that are like 4K in profit on Apex. And like now I have 4K of trading drawdown. I could take a 2K payout, which I'll probably do like this week. Across like 5 accounts. Well, not 5, probably like 3.
Rise back now. Yeah. What, is that a different one?
Yeah. No.
No.
I mean... Chat, you guys all need a job. All of you.
Jobs.
All of you are getting jobs this weekend. Fries bag now. Put those fries in that bloody bag, chat. I'm serious. Not the J word, I know. I know, it's getting serious if I'm saying it. Guys, 5 minute rejecting off our level here, but the 1 minute's being a bit strange, chat. Let's see what it does here. Can we mount an initial rejection here? Mount is crazy. There you go, look at that. I'm just spewing facts right now. If this 5 closes bullish above, we can take a look at some buys here. Maybe some super aggressive ones. Like really tight stops or something. Could be nice. Fries bag now. We are ripping. Chat, what did I say, man? Off my level, like to the T. Right to the tick as well. That's ridiculous, chat. Unbelievable, Jeff. This guy loves getting undressed on stream. Is there a way to see your stop loss and TP on Top Step with pending orders? No, unfortunately not. I wish there was. That's probably the one thing that it doesn't have.
You kind of got to use Trading View and Top Step together.
Or just do it in your head like me. If you built diff. It's not everyone's built diff like me though, chat, so I understand.
That's accurate.
Huh?
Oh, you actually have invested in lots of new chart colours.
Nah. 5 closing in a minute here, chat. Look at that rejection off my level, by the way.
Does it look good or not?
Yeah? I thought you said you were done. Oh, caught in the action, chat. Caught in the action. Red-handed. Order build. Problem is, you got a few levs here, chat. Nah, NQ, I was watching. GC's just cooked. Guys, we have 10 minutes till NYSE open as well on NQ. Realistically, if we can like position ourselves in some nice little buys somehow. Oh, it's 5 flipping. We're gonna have to wait till NYSE to be honest. It's just in the rod. Peep the barcode day on gold? I know, yeah. Yeah, you can't trade that, bro. Alright, guys, I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'm going to watch NYSE open, and we'll see if we can get a position. If not, that'll be it.
Guys, I've got a confession. I have a confession. Who can guess what it is? Who can guess what my confession is? Yeah, good. I guess I'll just talk to myself. I may have full-ported news. I may have done it. Those hypotheticals might not have been so hypothetical. Brilliant. Yeah, brilliant, guys. Yeah, really well played. Really well played. Hold on. Let me read that. They're just wishing you... We all wanted to come together and thank you for the streams, right? You do such a good job for us. So I asked them if they'd all send a nice message in for you. That's just, just for us to give back. So, congratulations, mate.
Oh, mods, ban them all now. Everyone, wait. I reckon they said that about you,
No. I think if you replay the stream, you'll find that it was all orchestrated.
Raise, get everyone who said you're coming out. Actually, no, they were saying it about Tom.
I don't think they were. There's actually no fundamental proof of that.
Well, I heard you in the other room saying, I've got an announcement, and then they said, are you coming out, question mark, so.
See, look, they're all saying how smooth I am.
Smooth-brained, maybe. Or smooth down there, you've got nothing. L-print.
No, because I invented the work. So I can't be smooth.
Oh, do you want to tell them the story about our two favourite guys in the change room the other day? Because this was really nice.
Yeah. It's something that I just really look forward to when I come to Cyprus as well, because it's not really too much of a thing in the UK. But clearly there's like some sort of unspoken rule at our gym where you've got to swing your wood around in the changing rooms.
Bro, I swear to God, there was a guy, right, at the gym yesterday, like 2 days ago. Him and his boy were talking, so like Tom would be his boy, and he was sat down literally like this, 2 legs up, like flossing his wood, basically just swinging it around, talking to his boy whilst they were both naked. His boy's wood is at eye level, and he's just like chatting to him like this. I thought it was just diabolical.
Yeah.
Like, and honestly, I got in the shower when this was happening, and I got out the shower, and they were both still naked. I understand, like, whatever, but bro, you can't spend 20 minutes with your wood out in the changing room. At that point, you're just desperate to be seen.
It's pretty cool. I wonder how long he was in there beforehand as well.
Yeah, he probably didn't even work out.
Another 20-minute stint before we even walked in.
Yeah, fire. Am I missing something? You reading my messages or not? Nah, we're not.
No, just ignoring them.
It's quite fun.
Right, I'm actually getting in the shower for real.
Because we figured out that Jay never gets angry if you don't read his messages. Like he never like double texts like a bad bee or anything.
He's just constantly on Deasley as well.
That's the infamous Cypriot wood swinger. Never heard of him? Why are you gay? Who says I am gay? You are gay. Guys. Right, NYC in 5. Oh, that is some volume right there.
In how many minutes, you say?
Thumph. Oh my days, guys. We're widdly whipping right now. Why has the NYSE volume come early? You actually do need to get off my Deasley.
I think the hourly flips.
Yeah, but there's a resistance right on the hourly flip.
Yeah, but I don't care. I think the hourly flips.
Let's see, guys, what happens in 4 minutes. Loki, if the 30 can close bullish, right, and then we get a bottom Wixkey, that'll be the play, I think. NQ price been proper clean lately, though. Yeah, NQ's been really nice. Santa always comes early. Yeah, actually, I was going to steal your joke, but I still love doing that. Yeah. That was one of my favourite things to do at uni. Just when you're in any group setting, right? You got to spot the optimum opportunity. When one of your boys says a joke that's funny, but they say it just not loud enough, you have to react very quickly and get in there with the saying it again just louder, and everyone will think it was you. It's so good because it's just free. It's just free style points, basically, free aura. And then that one friend just gives you that look like it was my joke, and then you can go like, "What are you on about?" And then they look like they've got like no aura.
Yeah.
If you need mega wood to arrive and outwood them, let me know. I'll be the repellent. Once I mark my territory, they won't bother you again. Mr. Woods.
Mr. Woods.
Wood by name, wood by nature. That's crazy. 3 minutes. Nummies. Nah, I can't have this. I've just opened my TikTok, right? To reply to a message that I got. But I've just, obviously it opens up on the video page. Some guy's like doing the keep or get rid of, like a chip shop, right? One of these. I don't know if you'll see it. And he's got rid of curry sauce. That's like, that's the main reason you go to a chip shop. I don't really give a fuck about the rest of it, but like chips and curry sauce. Pwah.
Got fries in the bag.
You always put the fries in the bag though. In fact, yesterday you literally put the fries in the bag. No, it was actually really shit, chat. Yesterday we went to like a restaurant, right? Or it was like a takeaway place, basically. And there was a guy like serving, and Tom ordered fries, and he literally said to the guy, because he was taking a while, he was like, "Mate, hurry the fuck up, put the fries in the bag now."
Yeah.
Like literally said it to him, and I was just like, I was so embarrassed because I've never spoken to a server like a server like that.
That's impatient. You don't want to get in the way of me and my nummy time.
It looks like we might not get anything here, guys. 5 minute wants to flip. No one saw that. Yeah, this might be cooked. Bonjour, je m'appelle Samuel. Guys, should we just stop trading and just start looks maxing streams?
Yeah, Black Hill, they've got me. In a year's time, I'm going to ascend.
Tom's gonna get double chin surgery.
Yeah.
Like the, what's it called? The whatever. Start doing that trick with the eyeliner underneath your thing. And that one as well. We're flipping here on the 15-minute chat. Flipping bear skis. Oh. 30-minute closing, NYSE open. Not good, chat. Tom has a recessed maxilla. It's from Joe. Okay. Tom has a recessed everything, to be honest. Oh, there we go. That's the push-up we were looking for. Brilliant. Chat, that's it from me. It's cooked. You are right though, Joe. You're definitely sub 4.
No. I think I'm just high tier normie.
You're not. There's no way you're HTN, mate. You actually might be a troglodyte.
No, you're a sub 5. You're a subhuman.
Joe who? Come on, man. Yeah, that is outrageous, actually.
Well, mate, do you know how many people could be watching? I don't even know that he pulled up to the YouTube stream.
Oh my god, we're ripping it down. Literally, your boy from however God knows how long, and you're going Joe who?
2.
Oh, here we go.
3.
Oh no.
4. 5. Oh.
Wait, can we please see your attempt at the world's fastest 6-7?
None of these guys will have seen it though, so it's probably not even
They will
funny.
have seen it, definitely.
Go on TikTok. I'll probably send you it.
No, they would have seen
recently.
it. Reenact it.
Go on TikTok.
No, reenact it.
No, I want to watch it.
No.
How's he so good at it though? Like, I swear he starts hitting it so quick that there's like there's no difference.
Yeah. My mum is kind of homeless. The speed phase. God, he's warming it up.
Bang!
Oh, and absolutely zero flinch. Like, you know, there's no threat of harm, so there's no need to even flinch. There was not even a thought to flinch in my mind. You've just been embarrassed in front of the entire stream. What does your average day look like Monday to Friday? I wake up at like 11, posts on Instagram maybe, and then I trade with you guys. Then I go to the gym, then I get back. My girl cooks dinner. We eat it. And then make some content maybe in the afternoon, or like I'll take calls with the one-on-one students in the evening. And then that's pretty much it. Wait for the market to reopen. Trade Asia maybe sometimes. Go to bed at like 3. Rinse and repeat. I want Tom is crazy.
Get your back blown out. What time does that happen? I know because you skipped over that one.
It was wishful thinking from you, mate, to be honest.
Right. On word to Sam's funded accounts, I'm getting in the shower.
Is there a possible play for NQ? No, Danny. You just said you were done. Get off the charts. Otherwise, I'm going to start calling you slurs. Serious. Not nice ones either. Is there any nice slurs? Yeah, good. Don't load. My friend is asking. Danny said his friend's asking.
So, you need to threaten, don't you?
Wait, where is this? Wait, where is this? Oh, okay. That kind of helps. Chat, get off my Deasley. Yeah. Oh my god, where is this? Is that Massachusetts? Boston!
That's cheating. Some of these guys are American.
Yeah. Give me that.
Threaten, don't you?
Danny, if you take a position today, you're going to be on the wrong end of this whapper right here. Ah, yes. Hello. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, I'm going to say it again. Make sure you join the free Discord, right? I'm dropping hella announcements in there about what's to come in the next couple of weeks. I've got some big news to tell you guys. You need to stay tuned. This shit could change the fucking game for you. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, because I'll announce it there. I dropped a new YouTube video yesterday, which is an absolute scream ski. So you better go watch that, right? It's a pretty sick breakdown of like my approach to risk to reward. And yeah, man. Oh, Café de Sport. Could this be France? Oh, brilliant. I mean, oh, it's Luxembourg. Interesting. I know someone from Luxembourg. What? Okay, guys. Oh, good. I never get the ones where it's in the middle of the forest, low-key, but I'm just going to have to go middle of Europe, guess. It works every time. I can't log into TradingView with Apex connected everything. You have to go on to Tradeovate and turn on TradingView like connection. Oh my days. I did that. What's it saying when you try and log in? I don't know where this is. Oh, low-key, this could be like... I was going to put Greece as well, but it wasn't even there. It was where? Croatia? Nice. I didn't even come top 3. What is going on? I want Tom first, Ewan, and then Johannes. W, guys. W. Contact broker? Yeah, maybe they're having some issues right now. My guy at Apex told me that because of the shit that happened with Cloudflare, they've got a backlog for accounts. So maybe that's why. But guys, W stream nonetheless. Holy shit. This is well interesting. Maybe if the 30-minute closes bullish, you could take a look at buys. Other than that, guys, W stream, W patience, W discipline, all of that good shit. Make sure you join the free Discord. Big announcements coming soon. I'm super hyped for the future of TRLS. It's going to be insane. And yeah, man. Peace out, guys. Much love. Catch you in the next one. Bye.